I don't know who needs to hear this, but those times in life that feel overwhelming and is frustrating, and you just can't make sense of anything going on. The best thing to do is to just take a step back and look at what you're up against. Get a vision of what you want the outcome to be. And if you practice, you can look and you can see. Do you see it? Once you see it, the best step to take is deal with the things that you know you can. I'm going to be starting by taking out all the things that don't serve this tree. The dead wood, the branches that are crossing and touching and rubbing against each other. And if I start with that, pretty soon the shape of the tree will start to reveal itself. And it's at that moment that you know you're back in control.